Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought, since my room's tidy, I would give you a cheeky little university room tour. It's not that tidy, but it's in like a good enough state to show you. Yeah, let's just get on. Starting off, I have my door and I've got the Club Nights poster on the back. It's a really heavy door, so I can't even use a door stop, so I've had to wedge it open with a deadlock. And then I've got my bathroom cleaning schedule on the floor. And after that, I've got my wardrobe. Got some hooks on the side with all my coats on and stuff. Also, please excuse my voice, it sounds awful. And then down at the bottom here, I've just got shoes, tripod, some bags. Bit of a mess, to be honest. And then here I've got my wardrobe. Pretty basic, small, but like it's okay. Mirror is too short for me, to be honest. Like, from my eye height, I can't see my face, which is great. And then at the top I've got a lockable cupboard, which basically every time I go out I just put my laptop and my camera in there and then obviously lock it. I've currently also got my school bag in there for when lectures start. I've got an ensuite as well, which I appreciate so much. It's a really nice ensuite in terms of uni, so sink, little shelf, which is a bit of a tip, to be honest. Got a little mirrored cupboard with random shit in it. Loo, towel, shower, very basic. And got some Polaroids on the side of my wardrobe and a big red pinboard with photos on it. Hate the colour of the pinboard, so I'm really excited to fill it up. Got my laundry here. I'm kind of waiting to think of somewhere better to put it because that's a bit messy, but... And then more shoes here that I've been too lazy to put on the other side of the wardrobe. And then we have my desk space, which is so nice. I really like it. I've got 2 shelves here, so that's like all my folders and stuff, which are yet to be filled up. This has kind of turned into a dumping ground. I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing with it yet, but I'm sure it will make an appearance in the future and you'll see. Makeup, teacup, makeup brushes, diffuser. These are essential oils. I've got a bit of everything on here. And then I've strung some fairy lights over the top as well, which actually are on, but they need new batteries, so I might as well just turn them off. And then I have a little orchid, which looks a bit sad up there. And then some drinks and cups and straws and stuff. And this is obviously my desk space. I have a load of plugs at the back, which is so useful, and there's also a light just behind my Aurora diffuser, which turns on to light up the desk. Got my radio, laptop, yeah, pen pot, jewellery. And then in the top drawer here, this was going to be stationery, but I've also ended up putting like random papers we were given in here as well. So yeah, bit of everything. In here I've put my makeup. I ended up just storing it in these because I thought that that would actually work quite well. And then hair bubbles, scrunchies, all sorts of stuff, to be honest. And then in the bottom drawer we just got like chargers and stuff, and some cards. Actually, I need to take these into the kitchen because we haven't played them yet. And then finally we have my bed, which is a 3/4 size bed. Love it. Starting off though, we've got 3 little shelving things, put books, some tissues and hand cream on that one. And then on here we've got food that I was given in my welcome pack that I don't want, and then some oranges as well. And then down here I've got some washing up liquid, brilliant. Here got a little teddy bear, a book, some tissues, a cup that I had last night, it needs taking to be washed. And then I've got a big fat pinboard with some photos on it. I've not really filled it up too much because hopefully I can like fill it up with other photos while I'm here. And then I've got my bed with my massive blanket on it. I also think I was given a brand new chair because it's still got this on it, which I quite like. It's pretty comfy as well. Under my bed I've got in here like boxes and spare bedding, and we haven't got loads of kitchen space, so in here I've just got like dried stuff, and we've got these boxes out of the veg aisle in Aldi and I've just stored tins in. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I really like my room. I'm very grateful to be able to have a really nice room at uni. Thank you for watching this video as well. If you have any questions about this room, I don't know why you would, but if you do, let me know, I'll answer them. And with that being said, I will see you very soon. Goodbye.